Hi guys, this will be episode 4 in the 6-in-1 Space Robots solar kit assembly. Episode 1 was assembling the gearbox and a few other bits and pieces. Episode 2 was the Explorer. Episode 3 was the Shuttle. A very little difference between the Explorer and the Shuttle. That's the Shuttle. Difference was this one has a single wheel at the front and the other one had double wheels at the front. Oh, and it had that bit stuck on the front. Anyway, the next one is a bit more complicated. If I can find it. Oh, they've changed the names. Oh, that doesn't help. Those names are wrong, according to this. The one that I just said is the Shuttle was the Rover, I think. Space Rover had the round front on it, and they actually use the supercapacitor to run it, although it will run off the solar panel. Explorer was the one with the single wheel at the front and the solar panel on top. The Shuttle is the one that's a bit more complicated. It's got a few more bits stuck on it. So that's the one we're going to do now. It says Type A and Type B, the difference being Type A has the supercapacitor to run it, and Type B has the solar panel on it. What we need to do is cut out part A4. A4. Just going to double check that my microphone is working. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if you can see it. It should have a little green light in there. I think we can see it. I keep either forgetting to switch it on or it switches itself off. I'm not sure which. I think I just forget to switch it on. So that's A4. I'll just trim the rough bits off it. Obviously, everybody will tell you should cut away from your fingers, otherwise you'll end up slicing your finger. So on that one, we need that piece to go up under there, somewhere there from the looks of it. Okay. Yeah, that's where that goes. And that is going to plug into there. Okay. We better take this off for now, although I'm sure it will end up somewhere near there. Right. Oh, that's... I don't want to push it in too hard in case it splits. Right, next, A3. A3. A3 is going to go on there. Yeah, really? No, on there. Ah, right, that's more like it. Okay, that's gone on nice and tight. A1 and A5. That's A1. First episode took over 45 minutes putting all the bits together, the gearboxes. Episode 2 was a bit quicker. Episode 3 was even quicker. But I think this one will be a bit slower. So that's going to be that way round. That's going to go in there. Okay. A5, yes, A5. Plug in there. And then we got the choice of either putting that on there or that. Right, if we're going for type A, we need B5, B5, B5. It's got to go in there like that somehow. Okay, that appears to do nothing. And then we need a B6 on top and a B6 over there. So these are B6s. And that one goes on top on there. We can either just plug that straight in there. We will need to charge it, but plug that straight in there. Or we could plug that in there. Or you can plug that in there and it will charge that anyway. But if we want to put that on top, we have to take that one off. Well, we'll do a quick demo. If I plug this in here, this is the battery box. That will charge that up. You see the motors running. Go out the way. Yeah, okay, that runs. We better put it on the floor and watch it go, haven't we? And now I'll put the solar panel on it. Right, unplug that one. Solar panel is going to go where this is. So that's going to sit. Okay. Now those two little T-shaped pieces. Yeah, fits on there. And then that will plug in there. But we will need sunshine. Artificial sunshine in my case. Light going on. Okay, that works. That'll do. I won't waste a lot of time demonstrating that. Works fine. So we'll now move on to Space Dog. Space Dog. So next episode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.